Hi, my name is Fred Chaplin-Durrie, and I am currently working on master's program. I plan on getting an MFT, um, working through Grambling University over in Palm Desert, where I do part-time on campus and part-time online. I've completed 6 classes already, starting classes 7 and 8, so this thing is moving right along. Um, you know, it's a great question. What would I like to do with my degree? So I work in residential rehab treatment for substance abuse. I've been working in the field pretty much since I started my first internship in 2005, and I've had an official capacity since 2009 over 4 different treatment centers. I also I consider myself skilled at working with the LGBTQ community, um, as I've rolled out programs in the past, and I'm currently running a LGBT tract at a place called ABC Recovery Center in Indio, California. So I would love to continue working within that community on some level and staying in substance abuse. It's really important too with an MFT degree to have in working with this community because we work a lot with the families. So I think the two will go hand in hand nicely. I'd also like to eventually get licensed and, of course, have a private sort of practice on the side. My hope for this class is that I can bring to the table, what I've learned about cultural diversity and human diversity, and who knows, maybe I'll even be surprised with biases I don't even know are there, and I'm really open to explore those because I don't want to have anything blocking me from my clients. And I've gone through many evolutions over the years, and I've learned a lot about different people. And I was very fortunate too because I grew up in a multicultural environment. Miami Beach was my first early grade school, and then later on in Los Angeles. So with that, that's my piece, and I look forward to this class. And that's it. Thank you.